Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk through how to apply a study visa to study in Brazil. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, it's always important that you see the requirements based on the location you are. I mean the official entity that covers the location where you are living, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and also based on other visas you may or may not have, you may or may not even need a visa. And at the official entity you can always check the requirements, because based on your region there could be additional documents, step fee, etc. So let's say you live in New Delhi, India, and you want to study in Brazil. So what I have done here, I have opened the website of Embassy of Brazil, New Delhi. So the steps are given here how to apply. First, you need to fill the online visa application form. You need to print, sign, and attach. Okay. Then you have to use their e-consular system and request for appointment. Okay. And in this appointment step itself, you'll have to pay your fee. Okay. And you have to upload a transfer receipt, like you have to do bank transfer, and that receipt you have to upload over here. Then the embassy will validate your application, your payment, and other things, and once they are okay, they will book an appointment and they will notify you. Then uh, then you show up over there with your original documents. Okay, of course initially you have to upload copies, and then if things go well, you'll be all good. So let's start with this. But before we go there, let's see the requirements. Okay. So at the bottom of this page, they have given the information for study visa. If you open online application form, cover letter, proof of enrollment, last completed education, I mean your education qualification evidence, proof of adequate finance, of course, flight tickets, police clearance certificate, your passport photocopy, and your photo in case of minor consent form. Now at every level, if you are doing the graduation, you need this. If you're going for post graduation, then basically proof of enrollment. Okay. In case of exchange programs, then for postgraduate exchange programs, you're still enrolled. Okay. Proof of enrollment and reserved enrollment. Okay. Similarly, similar requirements for school exchange students. Fine. So you can read it as per your situation, but let's go through the process. Okay. You can read all this and then complete the capture pattern. Following pattern. Wow, it's tough one, isn't it? But no worries, I'll see how I can do it. Wow. Okay, all the information that I put here is gonna be sample, okay, not my own. Okay. If you don't have last name, put this one. Place of birth, first is, and make sure it matches with your passport to avoid any issue. Passport issuing authority. Do you have other nationality? I select no. Parents. Sure. I am not putting any representative because I assume you are doing on your own. Okay. But if you have a representative, uncheck this and provide information. I'm going to go next. Okay. Now we are in page 3, purpose of this trip. Okay. Estimated date of arrival. Have you ever been to Brazil? No. Person. Travel document. I'm saying passport number. Verify all details at least 2 times. Other document, I select unknown. But if you have, definitely provide that. CPF number. Oh, issued by. I'm sorry. You can check your passport. You will have the details. I just put India, but check your passport. What is written there? Profession or occupation. Let's say you are a student. Nature of business. Monthly income is USD. Employee university organized. Name of college. School. Let's say I'm not putting these details, but you should put your college email and other things. Contact information, email. Put correct email. Don't do like this. Permanent address. Address for correspondence. Yes. Do you have any contact in Brazil? Like if you're going for student visa, definitely you will have some contact, right? Like your college contact, I would definitely provide. But this is like a sample. That's why I said this. One phone number. Okay. So I put that phone number. Okay, photograph, signature, scan document. So guys, remember, um, we already went to the checklist initially. So those things you should definitely add here. Okay. Like remember, like pass. Once you are done with that, you will go to the complete application where then you can print, sign, and then go to the next stage of consular. You'll come to this thing for e-consular system and book an appointment, and then you will include the payment receipt that you have to do with the bank transfer. That you will get the details once you submit the application, and after all that, you will get a call. I mean, when I say call means they will book an appointment for you. You go there, verify your documents. If things work out in your favor, you will get your visa. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.